You might have noticed an app called Freeform on your iPhone. So what is it, and what is it actually used for? Freeform is an official Apple app, and it comes pre-installed on iPhone. It's completely free, no account needed, and it's basically an infinite digital whiteboard. When you open Freeform, you get a huge blank canvas. You can zoom in, zoom out, and place content anywhere. You can draw with your finger, add text, arrows, shapes, photos, files, stickers, and sticky notes. Freeform is designed for brainstorming, planning, and visual thinking. It's different from Notes because you're not limited to lines of text. You can visually connect ideas. Some people love it, some don't. But if you like visual organization or brainstorming, it's worth trying. Let me know what you think about Freeform. Like and subscribe for more iPhone explanations.